Thank you very much. My name is Nina Sichler. I am the project manager on the German side, and I have the pleasure of giving you an update on the status of our CEF-funded PCI project, Gabreta Smart Grids. The project promoters are Bayernwerk Netz GmbH, one of the largest DSOs in Germany and the largest regional DSO in Bavaria, and EGD, our Czech E.ON sister and also the coordinator of the project. We are supported by our TSOs on the Czech side from CHEPS and on the German side from TenneT. And I just want to give you the key figures. So the value of CEF investment is in total 200.7 million euros. And the total value of CEF co-financing is 100.3 million euros. So the funding rate is 50%. And the implementation area, as you can see on the right, covers basically our whole or entire distribution grids. But we have a very strong focus on the border regions regarding our investments. Yeah, let's take a look at the progress made so far. We divided the progress report into 3 clusters, and here you can see the first cluster, which is dedicated to communication and dissemination activities. One of our major first milestones was the project launch event in April last year. You can see that on the picture on the right. And this event brought together all relevant stakeholders from business, politics, and society and celebrated the successful start of our funding project. Another important milestone was the release of our knowledge platform on our project website in April this year. And this platform provides relevant information in an easy to understand manner on what a smart grid is, which components are needed for it, and other relevant energy-related topics concerning our project. Another milestone is just ahead of us. In November this year, we are planning to release a knowledge platform for energy experts. There you will find articles and information about conferences on energy topics or smart grid topics like here today in Ljubljana. So the next cluster is related to our construction activities since the project start. And on the German side, we have installed already more than 15% of the digital secondary substations, same as for power line communication systems, and 2 other important milestones were the start of construction of our primary substations in Germany. You can see that on the pictures on the right. These are pictures from the groundbreaking ceremony events. And the first one was for our primary substation in Rottenburg an der Laber, which is in Lower Bavaria. And it was in October last year. And the other picture is from the groundbreaking ceremony in Kirchentumbach in Upper Palatinate this year in May. So in the final cluster is related to our IT activities. And on the Czech side, the data hub development has started, same as for our common concept for design for an application for local electricity mix indication. And this application will help customers to play an active role in the energy transition by enabling them to plan when to switch on their household devices when renewables are available. So this is a very, very concrete benefit for customers and consumers, but it's not the only one. There are more other important or more benefits than this one, such as increased grid capacity and connection possibilities for users, lower emissions through integration of renewables, Then reduced electricity costs thanks to smart grid technologies, improved energy security, better supply quality and crisis response. So basically the development of a long-term sustainable and resilient energy system. Also, stronger international cooperation and broader market participation are two key benefits. And last but not least, the support for new business opportunities and enhanced EU economic competitiveness through modern smart grid infrastructure. So that brings us to the end of this short progress report, and thank you very much for your attention.